Yes, it's finally here, the Nintendo Switch ripoff from China. It's time for a message from the future. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's message from the future, we are going to talk about some new stuff from China. It's time for not a typical product. No, this is the Powkiddy. It's the X2, and this thing is quite interesting because it looks like a freaking Nintendo Switch. They can't help themselves, and I must say they're getting really close. If you look at some little details, for example, the display. But I was also interested, what kind of software are we getting with this? This is, by the way, the Young edition. Yeah, right. Oh, those names. Oh, man. We're having HDMI support, or they are saying it. It runs on an ARM Cortex A7. This is quite interesting. It's one of the few handhelds that run on these specifications. As you can see, we can detach the controllers, so it's stuck with the device. Would be very cool if you could detach them. You need to play with two crappy controllers. Already did try some, let's say, controls on China, but these things are pretty damn horrible. And as you can see over here, they are connecting with this little USB connection. So you can use your Xbox 360 controller, for example, or you need to use an adapter. I know it is real, but man, I'd really love to have myself a Powkiddy little decal or a little collectible. So as you can see, this thing comes with a 7-inch IPS HD screen. So this is the first handheld that I've seen with an IPS screen. Most of them are very horrible qualities of display simply because they are cheap. As you already can see, what I showed you on Bob, that this thing is €75, so there's quite a lot of money. There's support for 11 simulators, or in other words, emulators. And I'm guessing these are just basic typical emulators. It looks pretty nice on the picture. So let's take a closer look at the video and let's see what we're going to get. Very curious. So I'm guessing you can order it maybe in the future in different colors. So I'm very curious how the joysticks are going to be. Reset is over there. 7-inch display. You already knew it. But I see that it has a basic support for all the like all the other handhelds I have reviewed. RetroDodo, or Bernsold was his previous name, has this website that he reviews handhelds on all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in some extended reviewing of this device, you can check his website. He also, for example, shows some specification of the display. And indeed, the A7 Cortex, this thing has a 3000 mAh and indeed HDMI. But nevertheless, if you want to read some more, I will leave a link in the description of the website. Okay, so this concludes the message from the future. It's just waiting for getting the product in. I will test it out. I will make an extended review of this product. I must be honest with you guys, I am pretty excited. Not because it looks like a Switch, but I did notice that they are running on some different specifications, better software. And maybe this time we haven't just a good 7-inch IPS handheld, because I know for a fact they made a lot of the 7-inch handhelds, but most of them they have the same crappy display with the same crappy handheld software. And to be honest, that was pretty damn depressing. But now maybe they're starting to learn it, and yes, they will ask a couple of dollars more, but I prefer to buy, let's say, a device that has an IPS screen and all the good specifications and decent software that we can enjoy some games. Maybe in the future we'll get one with Android that will be even better, with better specifications. But for now, this is what you're going to get. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family. Because that means I will see you in the next video. Naughty, naughty, naughty Chinese, they can't help themselves. Naughty, naughty, naughty as hell, you know that is wrong. Naughty, yeah.